They say lighting is the jewelry of a room. But if your living room is still relying on that one lonely, buzzing overhead fixture, you're leaving your home's true potential in the dark. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, this is the place where we transform everyday houses into high-end homes without the designer price tag. Today, we're moving beyond utility and stepping into atmosphere. I'm showing you how to use dramatic lighting to turn a standard living room into a high-end sanctuary. We aren't just brightening up a space, we're painting with light. Let's dive in. The biggest mistake people make? The big light syndrome. Relying on one central source flattens your furniture and kills the vibe. To get that dramatic, architectural look, you need layering. Ambient light, your base layer. Think dimmable recessed lights or a statement chandelier. Task light, this is functional, a sleek brass reading lamp next to your favorite armchair. Accent light, this is where the drama lives. This is for highlighting textures, art, or plants. By separating these layers, you gain total control over the mood. Want a cozy movie night? Kill the ambient, keep the accents. If you want your guests to say wow the second they walk in, you need to master wall grazing. By placing lights close to a textured surface, like stone, wood slats, or even heavy curtains, the shadows emphasize the depth of the material. It's an instant luxury upgrade. And don't forget the floor. Uplighting is a secret weapon. Tucking a small LED puck light behind a large potted monstera or a floor vase creates massive, leafy shadows on the ceiling. It's theatrical, it's moody, and it costs almost nothing to execute. Drama doesn't always mean flashy. Sometimes, it's about the glow you can't see. Integrated LED strips are a game changer. Try floating your furniture by adding a strip underneath your sofa or sideboard. Or, backlight your bookshelves to turn your collection into a gallery display. Pro tip, always aim for a warm color temperature, around 2700K to 3000K. Anything higher and your living room starts feeling like a sterile doctor's office. We want a sunset glow, not a surgical suite. Finally, let your fixtures be the art. A sculptural floor lamp or an oversized pendant serves as a focal point even when the power is off. But the most important tool in your arsenal? The dimmer switch. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this: put every single light in your living room on a dimmer. Being able to dial back the intensity is the difference between a house and a mood. Lighting is the fastest, most effective way to change how you feel in your home. It's not just about seeing, it's about experiencing your space. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more interior design secrets. Drop a comment below, what's the one lighting change you're making this weekend? Thanks for watching, and stay bright.